Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Edel update for you guys. Now, as I said in previous videos, tokenizing stocks or the tokenization of everything has been, is being preached by people like Larry Fink, BlackRock's CEO. I'm sure you guys know who BlackRock is, the company. Multi-trillion-dollar asset hedge fund, right? Multi-trillion, not billion, multi-trillion-dollar asset hedge fund. Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase. Tokenization of everything from stocks to creator coins to literally everything will be tokenized, right? Well, it's been a minute since I've covered Edel on the channel. It made from the first time I covered it, I think it was just around the same market cap that we are at right now. 27.8 million FDV with $13.2 million in circulating market cap, and it went on to do like close to a 5x, right? A lot of people took profits. I'm not mad at them for doing so. This market this year has been absolutely brutal. It's been a tough market this year, but I think now is a good time to revisit Edel. I think the bottom potentially may be in for Edel, and right now it's around the same market cap when I first talked about it. So right now you could get 100,000 Edel tokens for $2,789, right? And if that's too much to invest, because again this market this year has been rough, 1,000 tokens, $1,000 gets you around 30 to 40k tokens, right? Around that amount, right? I think now is a good time to invest, even if you buy 10,000 Edel tokens, right? 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 tokens, and if you could afford it, 100,000 tokens in Edel, in my opinion, is still a good buy. I still think the tokenization of stocks are going to, take over this narrative. The only other project that is focusing on stocks and tokenizing stocks that recently got approved by the SEC, right? They had a battle with the SEC recently, and they finally won their case against the SEC to tokenize stocks, and that is Ondo, right? And you see Ondo right now is at 1.5 billion in market cap with 2.3 billion in unlocked FDV, well, 4.7 billion in FDV, right? So from Ondo's tokenomics, let's see, 1 second, I'm just looking at, okay, so the circulating supply of Ondo is 3.15 billion tokens, and the total supply is 10 billion tokens. So 31% of the supply is out on Ondo, right? And its FDV's at 4.7 billion market cap, right? I still think, like I said in my previous video, I still think Edel could make a move like this and go to potentially $1 to $3 billion in market cap. Remember, Edel has even better tokenomics than Ondo with 50% of the supply unlocked, right? Just around 40 to 50%. So if you could afford 10,000 Edel tokens, right? $278. I know crypto, like I said, crypto this year has been tough, right? I know people don't have it like that. $278, $279 for 10,000 Edel tokens. That will go very far, potentially, because Edel goes to $1 billion market cap. That's $10,000 from $279. 2 billion market cap, that's $20,000. 3 billion market cap, $30,000. And if Ondo, the only real competitor to Edel, the only real project that you could be like, well, if Ondo did that, this is its, not necessarily competitor, but this falls in the same league as Ondo, right? You could see the upside of 1.5 to 4.7 bill market cap, and you see Ondo's all-time high. Look at this, right? 4.9 billion market cap for Ondo's all-time high. 4.9 billion market cap. That is the circulating market cap all-time high, right? So I still think that's possible for Edel. And, you know, if you could just afford 10,000 tokens, I think that's going to go very far. $279, right? Not breaking the bank. $1,000 if you can. $2,790 if you can. But even 10,000 tokens is a lot, and it could go very far, man. I really do believe so. Nothing has changed. The team is doxing themselves, which you love to see. That they're doxing themselves. Beefy Finance giving you Beefy Finance, one of those top liquidity protocols, DeFi protocols, giving you 14,000% APY on Edel. Edel wrapped ETH peer, 14,000% APY. That's crazy. So if you guys want to play with some LP pools for Edel, go ahead and do that on Beefy Finance. Watcher Guru, SEC approves DTCC plan to tokenize stocks, bonds, and treasuries. Again, I'm seeing the news like this all the time, where they're tokenizing everything, stocks, bonds, you name it, right? And Edel falls right into that category. Edel is one of those projects that falls right into that category, right? You see interviews from the founders, how the protocol works. You know, I'm telling you, like, I still think, you know, Edel will go very far. So, to protect yourself, don't invest more than you're willing to lose. 10,000 tokens, $279. If something goes wrong, because this is crypto, and we see how this year has been, where a lot of things have gone wrong, right? You don't invest more than you're willing to lose. But the potential upside is massive from here. I still think Edel could go to 1 to 3, even 5. If Ondo went to 5 billion market cap circulating, I think Edel could do that. Remember this. Remember the utility of Edel, right? From the previous video I checked out, that I made. From the previous video that I made, I'm having trouble speaking. Edel is creating DeFi for stocks. What's great about crypto is DeFi. You see how Beefy Finance is offering 14,000% APY on its Edel wrapped ETH pair. Edel is creating something similar where the tokenized stocks that will be on chain, you could earn DeFi. You could use it for DeFi as a DeFi protocol for these tokenized stocks, and I think that's a great utility. I think TradFis and institutions would love to earn, you know, 5, 10, 15, 20%, 30, 50% APR on their stocks. You know, I think that's a great utility, man. So once again, back with the update here. Again, I think it's bottomed out here. I think the uptrend starts again for Edel from here. So pretty much the same spot where I spoke about it the first time, right? I could have brought it a little bit early. I wasn't sure if it was bottomed at the 23 mil FDV mark, so I wasn't sure. But now I saw that bounce off the low. I think the bottom is in on Edel. So in my opinion, now is a good time to accumulate. And I'll see you guys at billions, man. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next one.